In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a mountain generator by using Blender's geometry nodes. I have used a grid to create a base mesh, but we can use anything since we'll be using a grid node. Here are the full nodes, and I'll show you what each node does shortly. We can change the size and overall resolution for the mountains. The shape is being controlled by a noise texture node, and only the z-axis is being affected by this combine XYZ node. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.